What's going on there, YouTube family and friends? Johnny here. Channel's Johnny5 Alive. Hopefully you guys doing great out there. I got a special treat for you guys. This guy does a mystery box. It's on his website, jscottcampbell.com. He does it, I think, every, I'm going to say 3 or 4 months, maybe even longer. It takes a while. That's how long it's been, but you go on his waiting list and he does mystery boxes. Some of them are signature series, some are old stock, but you never know what you're gonna get. Of course, it's a mystery. Fragile, there you go. Fragile, handled with care. So this is his mystery box. This is the way it comes, which is pretty awesome. And we're gonna open that up, but let's do a teaser real quick. I went to my local LCS, picked up some of my books, just some of them. Have quite a few there. If I were to get them all, it would be like a good amount of money. So I just go and spend like $40 every week. So that's what I picked up. Of course, I got a bag and board them myself. You know, kind of sad, but you know, that's how some LCSs are. So there's that one. I love that cover, man. Look at that cover, isn't that nice? Look at that. That is awesome. I like that. And this one's in really good shape. He picked up. Oh, never mind. It's got some things right there. So, yep. Well, I'm gonna have to go back and hopefully get a better one. Hopefully he has a better one. And I've been, I still need to read this, man. But I've been getting it every single time, every single issue that comes out. It's called Devil's Highway. Pretty awesome. I still need to read that. It's about truck drivers and stuff on the highway, and I don't know. I gotta read it, of course. And of course, I picked up the Venom 27, and he's holding me a Venom 28. So, looking forward to that. A lot of people got this on their Superior V13 boxes. Well, that's pretty cool cover right there. And then this is a Detective Comics 1027. And Art Germ. Love his work, man. This is a Detective Comics 1027. Look at that. Art Germ is not a germ. He's awesome. Get my nuggy fingers out of the way. Look at that. Now that is sick. Oh, love that cover, man. It looks vicious. He does awesome graphics and stuff on it. Beautiful art. Well, that's what I picked up from my LCS. And now let's open up the J. Scott Campbell box and see what I got in there. Awesome shipping. This tape is like duct tape. Man, didn't put my knife in there. All right, it's like a really thick tape. So here we go. That's what it looks like. That's the inside. Kind of excited for this, man. I love J. Scott Campbell. He has awesome art. He's always creating, man. Bubble wrap, tissue. Man, I hope I get a bunch of signatures. Can't wait. All right, I'm gonna put them upside down. All right. Oh, they're in the bag of itself. And I don't remember how many comics come in. The last one that they had, I missed out on it. I didn't have the funds. Each one is each mystery box with tax and everything. It comes out to let's say $95. So I missed out on the last one. So Oh, this is a thick book. All right, guys. You guys will be the first one to see. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Is it good? Is it signed? No, there's no. It's a J. Scott Campbell exclusive. Oh man, it's a tear. Man. Oh well. There's a tear on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that tear? Of course that'll affect the grade. But this is nice. The Amazing Spider-Man 800. Alright. Hopefully no COA. Here we go. There we go. That was nice. I like that. That's like the tear jeans and stuff. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Open it up. Really thick backing board. Can't even take it out. To the tape so I won't damage it. Amazing Spider-Man number 14. There we go. Can you guys see them? Those are the different kinds. That's pretty awesome. Cover A, cover B, cover C, cover D. I think I already have cover D. Nice. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. And the book is in really good shape. Alright guys, next one. And here we go. You guys see it first. Jean Grey. Looking at the reflection. It's a number 1 variant edition. Jean Grey. That's pretty cool. It's alright. Alright. And this is the next one, guys. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. War of the Realms. I don't collect this one, so if you guys are interested, let me know. Make me an offer. I'll make you an offer you can't refuse. So make me an offer, guys. It's a number 1 J. Scott Campbell 2019. That's pretty awesome. That's an awesome cover. Should I get it slabbed? I still need to do slab books, man. All right, this one has a COA. And I can see what it says in the back. It's a retail trade dress. It's a black cat. You guys ready? I haven't seen the cover. I just saw the back. Wink Ink will like that. It gets all black cats. There's the signature. Signed by J. Scott Campbell. There's a COA. I think I got this the last time. Maybe not. I mean, the cover's in really good shape. If you guys are interested in that one, Winking, look me up. Alright, next one is another COA. This is Marvel Comics The Avengers number 8, cover A. Okay, you guys see it first. This one I'm keeping. This one's awesome. Look at that. I'm keeping that one, guys. Sorry. That is sick. Oh man, that is awesome. Damn, made her look sexy. Wow, that is an awesome cover. Look how sexy she looks. This one's pretty nice. I like that one. So I only got 2 signed books on this one. I think to get a book signed from him, what is it, like 30, 40 bucks? So there's like 80 bucks by itself, so not bad. I think my favorite one is going to be this one, Spider-Man 8. This one is going to my PC. I'm gonna get this one graded, although it has that little tear in the top. So gonna see what it comes back at. I like that cover, man. That cover is sick. Alright guys, well, there you go. There's my J. Scott Campbell mystery box. Like I said, they're on his website. I believe they don't have anymore. But you guys can check jscottcampbell.com. And right now I got a message today saying that they have posters and they're signed. They're mystery box posters. So if you guys are interested in posters and stuff like that, like what I have up there, see all those up there. If you guys are interested, the signed ones from J. Scott Campbell's, he's got a mystery box, and it's just posters. So if you guys are interested in that, go hook them up, or hit them up. And you guys have yourself a great day, man. And if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't like it, give me a thumbs down, but do it twice. Okay, and don't look at it again. And if you guys like the channel, want to support the channel, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. That would help me out, man. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 400. Any comment, get you guys into that wheel, man. You guys have a good one. Stay safe, and don't forget to smile. Smile goes a long ways, guys. Peace out.